I don't know if the king-size Matchbox were rich kid toys or what. Information on them is harder to come by, and while there are castings more common than others, generally speaking, availability is somewhat less than for 1/64th castings. On the bottom, it says Foden breakdown tractor, but, it's pretty much a tow truck. Foden is no stranger to wreckers, and this casting seems to be a representation of the S20 tractor, like this one, named Alice. Lesney produced this casting from 1963 until 1968. It was always green with a yellow gear on the back and red rim original hubs with rubber wheels. I was fortunate when I found this on eBay. They're almost always missing tires, but often they're missing the hook, and the glass thing, or the glass piece on these is pretty thin, and this one is cracked but usable. I wanted to do some different things this year. Larger castings is among them, so stick around.
There's a man around the corner, he's been asking me for change, and I could use some. Think I could use some sometimes. All these things slow me down, like the concrete that's been sticking to the bottom of my shoes. Soles worn and tired have started wearing through. I can feel them heavier now. There's a hole here in my pocket, it reminds me of the ways I am hungry and always running for an open door. But on the highway, heavy-hearted, humming just to hear a sound. Loneliness, it lingers through unfamiliar towns, all of them stunning, and none of them home. And I don't know if I live like this for peace of mind. Can't say if I do it for the foolish pride, or maybe it's all just to prove that I'm alive. I'm alive, so I tell myself I'm brave, and I swear that I'm Does this fickle heart feel trapped in love? Is there something more to settle for? Have I just given up? Does my fickle heart still believe in love?
Yes, I cut off part of the office decal on the right side. I was also done getting ready to take the pictures, and I banged it into one of my lights and took a bite out of the paint on the corner of the cab. I tried to match it and make a repair, but I failed miserably. At that point, I was ready to move on and not order more decals from England and start over. I felt like the runner, arms raised in victory, who watches a guy run past him to break the tape. Anyway, click like if you choose to, and subscribe if you like my content. This is Time Rider, and I'll, well, you know the thing.